Hey guys, welcome to the Samsung guide, and here I'll detail how to change keyboard sound on Samsung. So if your default keyboard sound irritates like this, and now you want to change the keyboard sound, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change your Samsung keyboard sound or change keyboard sound on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Then after that, locate system sound and click on that. Now once you select system sound, locate system sound theme under system sound and click on that. Here you can change your Samsung keyboard sound. So you can choose between Galaxy, Calm, Fun, Retro. So once you selected your favorite keyboard sound here under system sound theme, just hit the back button. Then make sure you turn on Samsung keyboard. Once you have all that set up, you can now go back to the Samsung messaging app, or just go ahead and open your Samsung keyboard. Then you see the Samsung keyboard sound change. So this works on all Samsung applications, including the message app, WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, or any message application you use on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that is basically how to change keyboard sound on Samsung. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.